thing you need to learn on the bass guitar are modes. They'll help you navigate your board, they help your scalar patterns, and they help many other things on the bass guitar. So let me break it down. So the first mode is your Ionian mode, which is a major scale. The next mode is your Dorian mode. The third mode is your Phrygian mode, which is. The fourth mode is your Lydian mode, which is. The fifth is your Mixolydian. The sixth is your Aeolian. The seventh is your Locrian mode. So, if you watch the video from the beginning, you will notice where I did a combination of all the modes. That will help you navigate your board clean. Also, it can help you in your scalar patterns, riffs and runs, and all those stuff. Okay? So let me play it slowly so that you can learn it, practice it slowly. Speed comes with time, then apply it with your everyday music. Okay, so let's go. So we have the first one. Slowly. Now go to your Dorian mode. Now go to the second one. You start it with your index finger and you go like this. Now to the next string. So now you have. Now you come like this. So together it will. The third one. Then the fourth one. The fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh one. The last one. I'm not walking around this. One thing you have to understand about the bass is structure. Bass is structure. The moment you understand structure on bass guitar, you won't break your head over major and minor notes and all those kind of stuff that will confuse you, okay? So if you want to know more about structure on the bass, please follow me on this channel. I will do a tutorial about that next video. God bless you. I'll see you later. Thank you.